Hello guys, welcome to the HODL EOS channel where we stay focused on EOS and EOS.IO blockchains. If you are new, my name is Rob. Hit that subscribe button, click on that notification bell to join the HODL gang. The best blockchain game ever is coming soon to EOS, Blanko's Block Party, which you probably already knew. If you didn't, what have you been locked in your house these last couple months with no internet? Blanko's Block Party is a new universe to own and build. Join your squad, jump into a dare, or just go explore. This game looks so sick, and it's all based around these Blankos characters. The Blankos you earn and buy are yours. Yours to own. You own them as an NFT on the EOS blockchain. And there's some sick designs that you can collect and use to run around in games showing off to people, and even some limited edition ones as well. Iconic designs, limited releases. I mean, this pug, sick. T-Rex in a suit, sick. Make your own rules, easily design and build infinite possibilities of games. So you can reserve your account at the top of blankos.com. I'll leave this linked in the description. But I just want to play a little bit of the video Blankos put out and then take a look at some of the custom designs. So let's jump on into that.
Where you can create your own worlds and have your own adventures where you are in charge. Where you can make your very own games with your very own rules. And all your friends can come and play. Like this one here. Yep, them too. And I don't know what that dude is, but he is cool. What? They're all toys? Come to life. And I can actually play with them and own them all.
I mean, come on. This game is completely redefining what a blockchain game is. So if you have not reserved your account yet, make sure to do so. Again, link in the description below to blankos.com, and at the top you can reserve your account. Now let's take a look at some of these custom designs coming out from artists. Here's that pug one. Absolutely sick. There's also this Majo Blanko design. One from Tara McPherson. Head in the Clouds Blanko. And you got this 8-eyed monster as well. I really think all these custom Blankos, these limited edition artist pieces, are gonna be hot ticket items. And you know, I would not be surprised if these set the NFT record for most expensive NFTs somewhere down the line. Because not only are you getting a collector's item, but it's something you can use to run around in game with as your character, show off to other people in game. So freaking cool. So I'm really hyped for this game. And like I said, I think Blankos is going to redefine blockchain gaming. There really is nothing like this. And I can't wait to get my Blanko and start running around in game and just exploring. Exploring a whole new universe. So go check out blankos.com, reserve your account. I'll leave a link to that in the description, as well as the video from Blankos that was just played in this video. I'll leave a link to that as well. Go check it out, the whole thing. It really is amazing to think that soon we will be able to be running around inside that universe with our own custom Blanko. And as soon as I can, I will be bringing you some in-game footage. As soon as they let us in, I will be in, bringing some in-game footage, maybe even doing some live streams as well, and maybe even future Blanko giveaways, maybe, coming soon. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Join the HODL gang, and check out blankos.com, linked in the description. But that's going to wrap her up for this one, guys. So much happening in the EOS.IO ecosystem. I'll be back soon, and see ya in the next one.